3. Navigation without maps. Every year, birds migrate across continents, some flying over 10,000 kilometers with no GPS, no compass. The Arctic Tern flies from the North Pole to the South Pole and back every year, a round trip of over 40,000 miles. How? They read the stars, the magnetic field, the sun, even smell the air. And they do this without getting lost, not once. Can randomness or blind evolution explain this kind of precision? Allah reminds us, أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا إِلَى الطَّيْرِ فَوْقَهُمْ صَافَّاتٍ وَيَقْبِضْنَ مَا يُمْسِكُهُنَّ إِلَّا الرَّحْمَنُ. Do they not see the birds above them spreading their wings and folding them in? None upholds them except the Most Merciful. Surah Al-Mulk, 67:19.